Hello guys, good morning. We are here at Barcelona Nord Bus Station and we are going to Andorra. We're going to take this ALSA bus going to Andorra. We're going to the capital, which is Andorra La Vella, and it would take us 3 hours, approximately 3 hours to go there. And this is our bus, and these are some passengers waiting for the bus. This is the bus, guys. We're inside the bus, so there are lots of seats, but you cannot. It's a free sitting, so it's like 50 seater bus. So we're going to, and these are the people going inside the bus. So we're going in a bit. We're going to see Andorra in a bit. Andorra La Vella. We are leaving, guys. Goodbye, Barcelona. Andorra is waiting for us. Welcome to Andorra. This is the border, guys.
Perquè representa que és un pont molt llarg i la gent va esglaonadament. Jo pillaré una miqueta aquí la duana. Si és aquí la duana, vale. Doncs que dius que l'agafo ja al river,
Avui deia que pillaria lent, que no sé què collons faria. Lent sí que em fa, però...
No, a mi m'han acollonit, A mi t'ho dic, a mi m'han enviat, no vagis pel túnel. Bueno, jo quan he baixat del matí, ja he vist que estava nevant i he baixat xinotxano, a poc i m'ha dit, no pugis, ves per pont, que està una cosa, he mirat el gencat de trànsit en negre, tot negre. Però m'ha fet la... diu, això...
Fins a dalt. La mare que em va fer. I clar, pujar damunt, I fora de si tu et quedes... I a la nit, el que dius tu, a la nit.
Jo soc una amant del pernil, Bueno, ara ja ha variat.
Deu injustos, va ser.
Jo no sé tu què penses, tu en saps bastant, més que jo, però jo, tot el que sigui ibèric, ja em dona igual que sigui de Huelva, tot el que sigui les dehesses d'aquelles, si el pernil està bé,
Hello guys, we have just arrived here at Andorra La Vella, and this is the bus station. Here is the bus station. So today's sunny and it's snowing a little bit, and we are now here at Andorra La Vella. Welcome to Andorra. Join me and let's explore the beautiful capital of Andorra. Hello Andorra. Sunny, windy, snowy. Welcome to Andorra La Vella. Beautiful Andorra. So we are here on top, and you can see here the flag of Andorra. That's the one. And there's a building here, and I think this is the town hall of Andorra La Vella. It is so cold today here in Andorra. But the weather is nice. You're angry. Wow guys, this is so beautiful. You have to go here. This is such an amazing place. Wow. Beautiful Bella Andorra. Hello guys, this is our view. Wow, from our hotel. Wow. It is snowing outside. Look at this huge mountain here of Andorra, and these are the typical houses. Oh my god. I think this is the last stretch of snow here in Andorra. So this is very snowy. Beautiful Andorra. Also here it is better to see from here. So there's still sun over there. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Well, it's March, turning April, so there are a few more snow left. But I guess around January or December there will be more. There will be more snow. Good morning. Beautiful Andorra. Morning Andorra. Wow. Wow. There's a football stadium field here. Hi guys, good morning. We're heading back to Barcelona, and we are here again at the bus stop here in Andorra. This is the bus stop is centralized And these are the buses going to Barcelona and other parts, other destinations. You can also buy your ticket here, and here at the bus station there is a toilet that you can use. By the way, our ticket, we book it online through the ALSA application. There was a promotion that's good for two person. It was just like 60 euros for two person. Barcelona to Andorra, Andorra to Barcelona. So we're going to end our video here. I hope you learned something how to go here in Andorra from Barcelona. See you in my next video.